Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to change theme on Bitget. If you want to change your theme and personalize your trading interface on Bitget, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open your Bitget application on your mobile device, or you can also open a web browser and sign in to your Bitget account. Once you are logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top left corner and then tap on the preferences options from the list. Tap the theme option under preference and select one of the themes from light to dark. After you select the theme you'd like to use, you can then start using the account with the new theme. You can also enable the system theme toggle so that it matches the appearance to device's system settings. That is how you can easily change your theme on Bitget application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.